Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will talk about how we can skip rows while ingesting the data using pyspark. So when I say I wanted to skip the row, it could be anything, right? Let's say this is my Excel sheet or this is my CSV file where I have the first row as a column header. Okay, the headers are basically the schema, you can say, right? But in the code, if you see, I'm creating another schema and I'm trying to apply this schema on top of it, right? So if you see here, the column names are like name, address, date, transform, but I want to use my own column names, which I define in the schema. Okay, this is the one, column 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in that case, if I try to ingest this data in this way, okay, if you see the output, let me show you. Yes, you see the first column, which is not actually the data but the header of the file, is coming as the data, and same goes with another file also. See, so every file has this, the first row as a header. Now I wanted to skip this header, right? And I wanted to use my headers instead of it, or my schema instead of it, right? So what I will do while reading the data itself, I will use one of the option given by the Spark, that is called skip rows. Okay, and I'll say how many rows I want to skip. Let's say 1. Now if I read this file again, okay, and I'll run it, you see the first row gone. And it's not just with this file, right? For another file it is gone. If you see, what I will do, I'll upload one more file, okay, which also has the same kind of data. The first row is the header. Okay, if I read it again and if I try to run it again, you'll see 24 rows are ingested and we don't have any header in it, right? So that's how we can skip it. If you wanted to skip multiple lines, let's say 2, 3, you can specify 3, not just 1, and then it will skip the first 3 rows, okay, from all the files while ingesting itself. So now you see 28 rows, right? So it skipped the first 3 rows from each files. Okay, that's how it works. So I hope this video will be helpful for you whenever you wanted to skip some rows. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.